Friends, now I am going to explain you how to enable transitions in aux output. Let's do it. So for that you have to go aux, double tap, aux menu will open, and you can see here in aux 1 output is input 1, and here is the option trans enable on, and in case of aux 2 trans enable is off. So you can see in my multi-view monitor aux 1, this one is aux 1, and this side right side is aux 2. Now I am going to change the output. Suppose I am changing in aux 1, on aux 1. Now I am changing the sources of aux 1 from here. You can see in multi-view monitor. Yes, you can see, because transition is enabled in aux 1, but if I change in aux 2, here transition is off, transition enable off. So if I change here, you can see in monitor cut to cut, just cut to cut, because transition is not enabled in aux 2. Now you can see in the next menu, next page, that there are 3 types of options available here. Type is mix, cut, wipe. Okay, previously it was cut, now make it wipe. Now change in aux 2. Look at here, no effect, only cut to cut, because transition is not enabled in aux 2. But in case of aux 1, you can see type is wipe. So you can see transition is enabled, that's why wipe is working. You can also change the type of transitions or wipe from the next page. Here you can select 0 to 7 numbers of pattern are there. You can select any of them. Suppose I am selecting this. Now changing in aux 1. You can see in monitor. But not changes in aux 2, because transition is not enabled here. So sources will change cut to cut, but in aux 1 transition is enabled, that's why it is source changes. That is why source changes with wipe. There are total 0 to 7, that means number of 8 types of transition or wipes are available here. So in this way you can add transition in aux also.